Hi, today I'm going to show you the GoHighLevel. When you sign up for the 97, 297 or 497 plan, you actually it's advisable to sign up 497 because this is 497 is specifically for the SaaS mode or the SaaS Puno plan, which is for the agency white label. But later on, when you sign up, you can downgrade to 297 and further downgrade it to 97, which is you will get the agency dashboard, launchpad and dashboard here. I'm going to show you the billing here. So this is actually this GoHighLevel account is actually signed up from 497, which is I downgrade it to 97. But now I skip the trial and I already subscribe it monthly. If you subscribe it yearly, you are free 2 months free of the subscriptions. So this is depends on you. So for this agency dashboard, which is that has a launchpad to get you to set up for your this what do you call it, the dashboard here, agency dashboard. So everything. So from the agency dashboard, you have the agency dashboard. You have prospecting, which is you can look for a client. You have a sub account, which is you can create the funnel landing page for your clients, and each individual sub accounts represents a business for a client. So we have the account snapshot here. This is specially created by this GoHighLevel. So the next snapshot we thought is like highlighting the computer laptop to take the screenshot, and no, snapshot is different. Snapshot is actually including all the sub account settings, funnel, automation workflow, and everything settings which is you can save it and transferable or migrate it to another GoHighLevel account. So as you see, GoHighLevel is actually a stack developable, a stack what do you call it, the a software which is stack website stacking development for business-minded solopreneurs or entrepreneurs to start up a business, to capture the leads through the funnel and to create the automation workflow for the clients. This is your sooner have to find out. But let me tell you about this reselling add-ons and affiliate portal. You can leave it first. So template library, okay, you don't need all this first, but basically when you start up this GoHighLevel subscription, you will have this agency dashboard. So under this dashboard, agency dashboard, you actually have 3 sub accounts available for you. So you can create the sub account for this plan 97 up to 3 sub accounts. That means you can build up 3 businesses for your clients, for individual clients up to 3 businesses. So Movie Funnel is one of my services is one of my sub account. You can select here. Okay, so I'm going to later on I will show you these sub accounts, which is it's similar to the agency dashboard. You have a launchpad to get your setup done. You have the dashboard, you have the conversation. Conversation is all your text, email, WhatsApp, SMS messages come into this conversation. That's easy for you to follow up or to follow up with your leads, to nurture your leads, and also to convert them into customers or the clients. So we have the calendar here, one of the features to capture leads, and we do have the contacts here. Context, I mean, is a CRM. So this is under this context, you can import your contact list into the from the CSV file to have the name, company, the phone, the email, the business nature, and everything here, the contact list. So opportunity is something similar to, like, you have the context. So maybe the contact is from Facebook, so you capture the list. So this one is considered a new lead. It haven't yet converted to your customers or prospect. So new leads we can create it in a pipeline. So in the pipeline, you can actually pipeline you can also subcategorize it into, or main categorize it into an opportunity. That means this is from Facebook, it's a new leads, about new leads. So this is where the opportunities and pipelines is provided for you to manage your CRM. So we do have the payments in here as well. So most importantly, you can integrate the Stripe payment, the Wise payment, the credit card, and everything is from here. So let's cut it off all this introduction orientation, but I'm going to show you is a sites. So what is sites? Sites consists of funnels. What is funnel? Funnel consists of landing pages. Website is a dynamic website. Stores like e-commerce store, your webinars, the video, BSL, which is you can create a video sales letter. Analytics here from all your sites. The blogs, you can create the blogs, the client portal. You can create the client portal for your client to maybe manage or doing something inside your portal here, your agency dashboard. Forms, which is one of the features to capture leads beside of the calendar that I showed you just now. And we have the survey quizzes chat widget. You can embed it onto your website or funnel. So let me show you one of my landing page personal branding, which is I created for to capture leads. So this is we call it drag and drop. When you created this landing page, so we have the hero section here. We have logo, some logo. We can put the headlines, the sub-headlines, the cut features, and the sections here. The green color is a section. Inside section we have a eyebrow. We call it eyebrow paragraph. We have a headline, sub-headline, and we do have some images, to put images. So this is basically, most importantly, is a CTA, which is a click to action button to capture the leads. Let's say you can divert your landing page here to the website, then message you on website is one of the lead capturing. And this is all the sections that tell you basically what my personal branding for moving funnel services is doing. Thank you for your time. This is only a basic orientation, so I'm going to show you how this GoHighLevel is actually a business integration suite for all the business-minded solopreneurs, entrepreneurs like coaches, speakers, e-commerce, F&B, and every businesses that they want to capture leads and follow up with the leads in the CRM features, and also the payment, and also everything about the modern website. Yeah, thank you very much.